Right. So I've been doing this for the past 30 minutes. And I think over here is where my phone is. It's got 10 views. Nobody's joined. I've just done this and then my viewer's about to die. So I'll post another video once I come on after I hit this one more time. Damn it. Right. I'll post another video. Damn it. Right, so I'll post another video after this saying that I'm in Banana Man and hopefully someone joins. Yippee! Easy. Oh my god, it's basically right on it. Ready? Here, here. Inches, brother, inches. That's it. Yes, alright. See y'all later after I charge my VR.